Hello everyone. Welcome to this beginner English grammar lesson. Grammar is simply the set of rules that tell us how to put words together to make sentences. Think of it like a recipe for cooking. Just like a recipe tells you what ingredients to use and in what order. Grammar tells us how to arrange words correctly. Without grammar, people won't understand what we're trying to say. So let's learn the basics together. Let's start with nouns. Nouns are words that name people, animals, places, or things. For example, cat, dog, teacher, apple, London, and table are all nouns. They're everywhere. Look around you right now. Everything you see has a name. And that name is a noun. Understanding nouns is the first step to building sentences. Now, let's meet verbs. Verbs are action words. They tell us what someone or something is doing. For example, run, eat, sleep, jump, and talk are verbs. Without verbs, nothing happens. Let me give you some real examples. The cat jumps on the table. She eats an apple. He runs to school. See how verbs show action. They bring our sentences to life. Great. Now let's put nouns and verbs together to make simple sentences. The most basic sentence needs two things: a subject and a verb. The subject tells us who or what is doing the action. The verb tells us what action they're doing. Let's look at some examples. I eat. She runs. The cat sleeps. Dogs play. These are all simple, complete sentences. Notice how each one has a noun and a verb. That's all you need to start. Now it's your turn. Try to build your own simple sentences using what you've learned. Think of a noun, any person, animal, or thing. Then think of a verb, any action. Put them together. For example, birds fly. I dance. My friend studies. Can you make 3 sentences? Write them in the comments below. Remember, you don't need fancy words. Simple is perfect for beginners. Keep practicing, and soon making sentences will feel natural to you. Great job learning today.